Lesson 7-6, multiplying a polynomial by a monomial. To find the product of a polynomial and a monomial, you want to use the distributive property. And if you remember, the distributive property means that you take everything on the outside and you multiply it by everything on the inside of the parentheses. Make sure that you're including the negative when you're multiplying everything. So let's look at this example together. We're going to take this -3 and we're going to distribute it to everything that's inside the parentheses. Remember that when you're multiplying, you add the exponents. So this would be -21x to the fourth. -3 times -1 would be a positive 3x, and you add the exponents, so to the third, minus 12. So your final answer for multiplying the monomial times the polynomial would be -21x to the fourth plus 3x to the third minus 12. And when we simplify expressions, you use the same method as when you're multiplying. So you're going to distribute the 2p to everything on the inside, and then you're going to distribute the -5 to everything. So you will have -8p to the third plus 10p squared minus 10p squared minus 100. So here you can see we have a positive 10p squared and a negative, so they cancel each other out. So you're left with 8p to the third minus 100 for your final answer. When you have equations with polynomials on both sides, you want to kind of take it as in multiple pieces and solve. So we're going to use the distributive property first to kind of simplify this. So this would be d squared plus 3d minus d squared plus 4d equals the 9d minus 16. So we have a positive d squared and a negative d squared, which cancel each other out, leaving us with 3d plus 4d equals 9d minus 16. So you can combine the left side to get 7d equals 9d minus 16. You can subtract 9d from both sides, leaving you with -2d equals -16. Divide both sides by -2 and get d equals 8. When you're solving with polynomials on both sides, you should end with an answer solving for your variable. So that's what you're always trying to get to. You're trying to simplify to an answer for the variable. Pause the video to complete the lesson review. Make sure you show me this lesson review for verification of watching this video.